charming as an eel, Mr. Grinch. You're a bad banana with a greasy black pig.
You're a monster, Mr. Grinch. Your heart's an empty hole. Your brain is full of spiders. Your garlic in your soul, Mr. Grinch. I wouldn't touch you with a 39.5-foot pole.
You're a vile one, Mr. Grinch. You have termites in your smile. You have all the tender sweetness of a seasick crocodile, Mr. Grinch. Given the choice between the two of you, I take the seasick crocodile.
You nauseate me, Mr. Grinch, with a noxious super nos. You're a crooked jerky jockey, and you ride a crooked horse, Mr. Grinch. You're a 3-decker sauerkraut sandwich and Tootsie sandwich with arsenic sauce.
You're a foul one, Mr. Grinch. You're a nasty, wasty skunk. Your heart is full of unwashed socks. Your soul is full of gunk, Mr. Grinch. The 3 words that best describe you are as followed, and I quote: stink,